Hello everyone, it's Edwards here. Welcome back to another streaming tips video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn a full-size clip into a clip that can be used for TikTok. Obviously, when you're making YouTube Shorts or TikToks, the interface needs to be the size of a phone, so you have to edit the size of the clip. I'm going to be showing you guys how you do that in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new, guys, and this tutorial helps you out because I'm going to be doing a ton more of these, and they're going to be super useful. So as you can see, guys, we've got our Minecraft clip right there. I've turned the sound right down so we won't have that interrupting the video. I'm showing you guys how you convert this into a TikTok clip. So as you can see, we've got our full-size clip there. Perfect. And then we go to sequence. You want to go sequence settings, and then you want to change this to 1080, and then you want to change this to 1920. So it's as simple as that, guys. You want to get the opposite dimensions. So the frame size you want at 1080 and the horizontal at 1920. Then you want to OK that. OK. And then what you want to do is you want to go through the clip and you want to make sure that this is resized. So double click on that box right there and pull it in so it meets the edges of the frame. And then just go through the video, double checking that all the segments are the same size and they all come to this border here. So again, just double click and resize it to the size it needs to be to fit the frame. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's a quick and easy tutorial. We don't mess around over here, but I'm going to be doing a ton more of these, so make sure to like and sub if you did find this helpful, and I'll be back with some more streaming tips and tricks very soon. Have a great day, guys. Peace out.